In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Apex Legends Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But yeah, the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do if you want to join the Apex Legends Discord server is actually exit out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. It doesn't really matter which one you open. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you can use really anything. And on top of that, you don't have to be using your PC as well. You could use like a mobile device for this as long as you have Discord. Essentially, go ahead and open up that web browser though and just search up Apex Legends Discord and then hit enter. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. The very first link right here is going to be the official developer supported Discord server dedicated for Apex Legends. So go ahead and click on this first link. It's going to open up a page like this and immediately redirect you into Discord. We just simply need to go ahead and accept this invite. After accepting this invite, it's going to show you a bunch of different settings that you're able to customize. And on top of that, to finally see like all those chats and different channels, you will need to accept the rules and terms of service, which is going to be the very last thing on there. Go ahead and accept those and you'll be able to see the rest of the server. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.